In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Today I am going to talk about one thing, about one work. And this thing does play a decisive role. Whether a person is moving forward or moving backward, progressing or regressing, improving or deteriorating, moving towards the affluence or moving towards the poverty, there is one thing, and there is only one thing. Believe me, this one thing does play a decisive role, and it decides whether we are going to become a successful human being, whether we are going to become an unsuccessful human being, whether we are going to become a satisfied and a happy human being, whether we are going to become an unhappy and dissatisfied human being, whether we are going to live the respectfully in this world or we are going to live the disrespectfully here in this world. All is dependent upon one thing, and this one thing is, I derived this principle from a prophetic saying, from the saying of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said that whosoever today is worse than his yesterday, whosoever is today is worse than her yesterday, she is destroyed. Nobody can protect them from the destruction. If at all their present is worse than their past, if at all, the day we are living is worse than the day we lived yesterday, means if at all our present is worse than our past, this means that we are going to be destroyed. This means that we are doomed. This means that we are going to face the music. This means that no one else can protect us. Maybe no one else will be able to bail us out. No one will be able to protect us from being a failure, from being a total failure, from being an absolute failure. As simple as this one. One thing and one thing alone can decide whether we are going to become a successful or an unsuccessful human being, a dissatisfied or a satisfied human being, a happy or an unhappy human being, a respectful or a disrespectful human being. Either we are going to live in a dignified manner or we are going to live in an undignified manner. It depends upon only one thing, and that one thing is whether we are reforming our habits and whether we are reforming our routines. We, the human beings, we do have the habits. Each one of us does have a habit. Although one person said that all the habits are the bad habits. Why? Because it does not allow us to improve, because it makes us a sort of robotic human being, because it does not provide us an opportunity to think and to think much, to improve and to improve much. Actually, we need to bring certain reforms and further reforms in the habits we have adopted and the habits we have formed and the routines we are pursuing. We need to reform and we need to keep reforming. If at all we do succeed in accomplishing, in doing one thing alone, and this one thing alone is that we are reforming our habits, let me tell you, let me assure you that all of us are going to become a happy human being, that we are going to become a successful human being, that we are going to live in a dignified manner here on this earth. It is as simple as this one. No complication at all. It is as simple as this one. No complication at all. A prophetic saying, I repeat, that whosoever's today is worse than his or her yesterday, she is going to be doomed, is going to face the music, is going to be destroyed. And as I earlier said, that all of us, we are the people of our habits and we are the people of our routines. Habits or routines either these are the double-edged sword, either these are going to improve us, these are going to make us even a better human being, or these are going to destroy us. If at all we are reforming, if at all we are improving and further improving our habits and our routines, let me assure you that we are going to become a successful human being, and quite a successful human being, a happy human being, and quite a happy human being, an affluent human being, and quite an affluent human being. But if at all we are not reforming, if at all we are not improving our habits and our routine, then we are going to deteriorate, then we are going to become worse with the passage of each day, with the passage of each week and month. So the only right thing is to keep improving and to keep improving and to keep working and to keep working hard and to keep reforming and to keep reforming on a consistent basis. That is the only way we can improve, and that is the only way we can reform, and we can succeed. And I think so. There is always a need, a necessity to improve one's habits and one's routine, and there is no other way. If at all we are not improving our habits and our routine, then we are going to be doomed, then we are going to face the music, and then we are going to destroy ourselves. It is as simple as this one. No rocket science and no complication. I'm not talking about something which is complicated. I'm not talking about something which is as complicated as a rocket science. I'm not talking about something which is a Herculean or a gargantuan task. I'm not saying something like this one. Rather, what I'm saying is quite simple. Rather, what I'm saying is quite practicable. Rather, what I'm saying is quite doable. And if at all a person adopts just one thing and one thing alone, let me assure you that according to Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, he whosoever's today is worse than his or her yesterday is doomed, is going to be destroyed. If at all we want to protect ourselves from the destruction, then I think this is the simplest ever way. Thank you. Jazakallah.